we've got to find out why there is a lull somewhere on the game na in the past few games, hindi nakakahabol yung kalaban, diba? And then we have to overcome that. So, ano lang, maybe we should be able to find out bakit may lull kami palagi.
Coach, would that be a concern moving forward dahil ngayon 4-1 kayo sa standings and syempre ang eye nyo magandang record nyo by the end of the eliminations?
Yes, it's always it's a concern pero at least lumalabas na ngayon, di ba so we can find our adjustments moving forward.
Okay. JP, congratulations, player of the game. Yun nga, yung third quarter medyo may konti kayong struggles, nakahabol ng konti yung Blackwater, pero nakontrol pa yun yung game by the fourth quarter.
Nag-compose lang kami and ginawa lang namin yung mga plays namin, yung tamang plays, yung hindi nagmamadali, ikot ng bola, yung mga pinupunta ng mga point of attack namin.
JP, itong 5 games, ikaw is sa mga responsible sa magandang start ng LX dito sa eliminations. Ano bang meron ngayon at talagang tumataas na yung kumpiyansa mo dito sa PBA?
Siguro extra work lang, wala mo season po, extra focus din.
Questions on the floor?
Coach, first of all, congrats. After tonight's, I think, third straight win yun na po, and you've now taken the provisional lead sa standings. I think last time, parang sinabi niya sa amin na parang magputi na to kasi hindi nyo kaya mag-develop like the other teams. So, pero how does it feel lang na, ayun, for now, number 1 kayo?
Nakakahinga ng konti. Konti lang nakakahinga, no? Pero alam namin na after this game, parang sunod-sunod yata yung, actually sunod-sunod na nga yung laro. Konti lang yung prep time. So, kailangan focus lang kami lahat. Alam namin na malalakas pa rin yung kalaban going down the stretch. So, we can't take this win. Parang nanalo kami ngayon. So, tapos na to. Kailangan we look to the next game. Tapos na to nanalo na. So, look to the next game na kami.
Coach, but do you think at 4-1, do you think parang it reinforces your team status as a dark horse dito sa tournament?
Hindi naman. I can't say no, but kasi we are there to compete. Yun lang. You know, we're there to compete. Mabuti nga, if they take us for granted, that's good. So kami, we're just here to, you know, do the best what we can and compete against everybody.
What do you like about JV's game, Coach?
Padagdag siya ng padagdag. Sabi ko nga, best player nga, we got him primarily for rebounding purposes. And he developed himself as a threat, di ba? A threat. Yun, that's not because of me, that's because he works hard in practice and trying to develop his game to para makipag-compete siya sa mga ibang malalaki sa liga.
Coach mo lang additional question doon na si JB parang naging kumpiyansa na rin siya sa opensa niya sa inside game, like nung fourth quarter may mga instances na talagang yun.
Sorry.
Yung sa offensive game ni JB, especially sa loob.
Yeah, siyempre kailangan ng isang player ng kumpiyansa. It's not like tinitira niya yung hindi niya kayang i-shoot. Ang tinitira niya yung kaya niyang i-shoot. So, it's a good how do you say, a good addition to the system. If JB has developed a consistent medium range jump, it's good for the system. Yeah.
JB, may dadagdag ka ba doon?
Natatiming lang din siguro sa sistema ni coach. Yung mga pwesto, mga drop passes na Kuya Berto, na Kuya Kev, and pulot-pulot na minsan-minsan.